everyone, in this video I am gonna present my research game for our programming subject. Vision and concept. This visional project is to enhance the traditional flip a coin game into a more reliable and engaging tool for decision making. So the game I chose for our programming app subject is flip a coin because I think flip a coin should be more presentable and it should show you basic statistic and a result tracker because most of the games does not contain those. The problem or the gap. Most existing flip a coin games are very simple and do not include a tracking feature. Despite this, many people now use coin flips to negotiate prices or settle disagreements. Without a record or past result, users cannot verify fairness or consistency. This gap highlights the need for a modified coin flip game with a built-in tracker. Who? Our objectives is who. The project is intended for individuals that is used by anyone who can use coin flips for decision making, especially during negotiations or simple agreements. What? The product the project aims to develop a modified flip a coin game with a built-in tracker that records and displays previous results. When 1 to 3 weeks for planning, 4 to 6 weeks game development, 1 to 2 weeks survey and data analysis, where the app will be evaluated and tested by team game testers for evaluation and survey. Why? As a part of game development research and performance tasks for for the whole fourth quarter in programming, the researcher will see if the game will be successful. How? After planning and developing the game itself, the researcher will let the game tester to try and evaluate the game for assurance and to test the accuracy of the game. Benefits. The modified game will provide transparency in decision making by record result. It can help users feel more confident during negotiations. The game also promotes awareness of probability and fairness. Additionally, it improves user engagement compared to the traditional flip a coin game. Hypothesis. Null hypothesis. The modified flip a coin game with a tracker does not significantly improve user trust or engagement compared to the traditional flip a coin game. The modified flip a coin game with a tracker significantly improves users' trust and engagement compared to the traditional flip a coin game. Data analysis. The researcher will conduct with a group of beta tester of various age as a flip a coin game is designed for user of all age groups. The application will be presented to the users in its initial version with a built-in tracking system. After testing the game, the researcher will administrate a series of questions to evaluate the user's experience, usability, and effectiveness of the game for decision making. RRL or review related literature. So I tested this game and after playing it, the game is too repetitive and it just flips a coin and there's nothing else to do. It doesn't give you the result or what is the previous coin that showed. That's all guys. Bye.